welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a tour of our master closet. But before we jump into that, we want to go ahead and mention we have started making decorative wreaths. We have wreaths that you can use all year round. We will also be making theme wreaths such as 4th of July, Halloween, Christmas, stuff like that. So if you're interested in ordering a wreath, make sure you let us know. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. Okay, so here we are in our master closet. This is what you see when you walk in. My clothes is to the right. My husband's clothes is to the left. And we have these drawers here that we got at Walmart. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on my husband's side. So we do have all his clothes color coordinated. His short sleeves are on the top. He has one of his jerseys in here. Over here, I do keep his soccer shirts and everything separately. So we have it back here since he doesn't use them very often. I do have his work shirts right here. And then right underneath that, we have his work pants. Over here, we have some sweatpants and his jeans right there. If you guys seen the tour of my kids' closets, again, we do keep the hanger separate. So when he gets an item off a hanger, he puts the hangers right here. So we keep those there. So up here, we have some more of his winter clothes. So it doesn't all fit right here, and the shirts are too long to be down here. They'll drag on the floor. So I keep those up there. So we have all his winter clothes, and it's nice and folded up there. Some more sweatpants. This is a big sweater. So we have that up there, and they just stay nice and folded. And when it's winter time, we just go ahead and bring them down. So moving on to my side. So up there again, this is my thicker sweaters up there, my winter items, and some sweatpants up there. This is where I keep all my dresses. So it goes the longer dresses. I have like a longer skirt, and then my other skirts, and then my shorter dresses are here. And then I have my long sleeves here. These are thinner material, so I don't keep these up there. These are thinner, so if I get cold, I can actually wear one of these. So these are here. We have these. They're mostly color coordinated. I have a lot of different colors that vary. So like I said, I have the 2 grays right here and stuff. Here are my t-shirts, my business t-shirt here. And then over here we have just some other, these are my short sleeve shirts. So, you know, they're all color coordinated. I usually do darkest to lightest color. And then right here I have all my sleeveless shirts. And then over here are all my like gym shirts. So, you know, like these, stuff that I wear with like my workout pants and stuff. So these are all the tank tops and stuff. So it's, you know, short sleeve, and then it goes to sleeveless. Right here I have some of my pants, you know, the more dressier pants. And then I have my jeans right here, and my extra hangers I keep over there. And then right here we do keep a laundry basket. So our master closet is right off of our bathroom, so we easily throw our clothes in here, and then I just grab it and take it to the laundry room when it is time to do this load. So let's move on over here to the drawers. So we'll start right here. So I have them labeled with white shirts right here. Everything's labeled. I labeled them. So this makes it easily for my husband to know where everything is. That way he doesn't have to rummage through everything. So the labels make it very easy for him. So on the top, we do have his white shirts, and I just threw in one of his pajama pants in there. He only has one, so that just goes in there. And so I fold everything like almost like in a file system. That way he can easily grab it and put it on. So, you know, you don't have to be, you know, picking one up to get to the bottom one. This makes it so much easier, and it keeps it so much more organized. So over here I do keep I'll give you his, you know, briefs and his muscle shirts. Again, they're all like in a file system, all color coordinated. So right here we do keep his basketball shorts. Everything is color coordinated, so like the blacks, the blues, and everything like that. Again, they are folded the same way so that he can easily grab one. And then right here, these are just my shorts. Again, they're just, you know, folded the same way. And then these are my husband's shorts. So these again are folded the same way. These are more his jean shorts. So these are here. So these do have my name and then his just say shorts. So that's kind of how we tell them apart. These are his socks. So we have all of them right here. We have the longer socks toward the top, toward the back, and then the smaller socks in the front. He uses all black, so we don't have to color coordinate them or anything, but those are all in there. And then moving on here, we have all my pajamas. Again, they are folded. I don't have a lot, so they're all folded like that, so they're easily accessible. These are my workout pants, athletic pants. They are all color coordinated. Again, they are folded like in a file system. They're easily to get to. So again, these are here. These are the thinner ones. They're not like the thicker material, so these are able to fold up a little smaller, and I keep them right here. And then right here, I just keep my bras, so they're all organized like this. They're sports bras, and then my regular bras toward the back. And so that is it for our master closet. We don't have a lot of clothes. My husband actually has more clothes than I do, but so just wanted to give you guys an idea of things that maybe you guys can do in your closet. These drawers are from Walmart. I like the color. It gives a little something to the closet. This larger one was, I believe, $18, and the ones on the side were $12. So they weren't too expensive, and they're very easily labeled, and they came with wheels, but I didn't put them on there. I didn't think they were necessary. So I like them. We don't keep a dresser in our bedroom. We will be doing a tour of our bedroom here soon, but we do not keep a dresser in there. So this is where all our clothes is. So these fit perfectly in here, and they work. So let me just give you another look at it. And so that is it for the master closet.
Okay, so that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys are staying organized and inspired. If you need ideas, check out our Facebook page, Gaines Organizing. Head over to our website, gainesorganizing.com. And again, if you'd like a wreath, let Kayla know, and we'll get you set up. Thank you.